Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to activate your Wise card. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So you can simply and automatically activate your Wise card through your banking transactions through it, or simply buy your ATM card if you are in Japan or USA, or you can also tap on the card section by opening your Wise app. So simply hit on the order a debit card and follow the on-screen prompts. However, it is seen screen due to privacy reasons. If you are in countries like Singapore, USA, Japan or Canada, you can get the activate card option. However, other countries cannot activate their credit card that way. So if you are trying from any other countries listed, you can simply activate your Wise card following the prompts given. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.